So my symptoms are runny nose and sneezing and itchy skin. My symptoms started out pretty mild, and every year it got worse and worse. And last year I remember having a really bad weekend when I tried to do some cleaning and I just sneezed and I had runny nose and I couldn't do anything. So this is when I started taking medication. I took over-the-counter medication to relieve the symptoms. I was really considering last spring to visit the allergy doctor. I tried the probiotic Lollipops in February. Actually, first time I tried, I took 3 Lollipops, and then I waited 5 days and I took 2 more Lollipops. But after that, my symptoms were really mild. I did not have runny nose and itchy skin, so I felt that it really helped me. I like the most about the probiotic Lollipops that you just take it at the beginning of the season, and after that you don't have to worry about it. I don't have any symptoms.